Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. You need to begin by opening two of your apps that you wish to use in this view in the background. In my case, Play Store and Chrome. Now access background apps. If you are using Trucky's navigation, you can do that by clicking on this square button. Finally, click on the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Tap on the icon, select Split Screen, click on the other app, and as you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!